Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Sign for team document turnaround. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Adobe Sign for team document turnaround, start by visiting the Adobe Sign website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to choose a plan that suits your team's needs. Select the business or enterprise plan, depending on your requirements. After choosing a plan, click on the Start Free Trial option if available. Fill in the required information on the registration form. This includes your name, email address, and a strong password. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've filled everything in, click the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Adobe Sign platform. Now, log in using the email and password you just registered. Upon logging in, you might be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in your team details, such as company name and contact information. Once your profile is complete, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you can customize permissions and roles for your team members. Add team members by entering their email addresses under the Users section. Invite them by clicking on the Send Invitations button. Each member will receive an email invitation to join your Adobe Sign team. Once they accept, they will be added to your team. Start uploading documents in the Manage section to begin the signing process. You can drag and drop files or browse your computer for documents. Select the document type you want participants to sign. Customize fields as necessary for signatures, dates, and additional information. Finally, hit the Send button to route the document to your team for signing. And that's it. You are now ready to use Adobe Sign for your team's document turnaround. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.